YouTube. Oh my god, here we go. YouTube, what's good, man? It's your boy Kid Cat. But yo, we in Cali right now. Okay, we doing the collab with 360 Jeezy. Alright, so it's gonna be an absolute banger. Y'all just make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Alright. But yeah, let's get into this tutorial. We doing a high ball fade. This is a loyal client right here. He always come every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, and I cut his hair the same exact way. So needless to say, he likes what I'm doing. Okay. But yeah, let's get into it. So first I did the ball line, and I realized that one side was lower than the other. Like I said, he likes it high, so we're gonna get it high. So we basically just started at the bottom of the vertical bar and took it straight back. No drops, no nothing, okay? Cause he likes it high, you know what I'm saying? He wants the whole fade to be high. He don't want it to drop in the back. So we're doing this lever open about an inch wide. You know what I'm saying? The best way to measure it is to just look at the actual guard or the actual blade on the clipper and go up about that length. If you got the clipper in your hand right now, you can pretty much tell like what I'm talking about. Right now I got my one guard open, just doing the same length. His crown is kind of like it's gonna get in the way of the fade, but I kind of just fade over it. So whatever way the crown grows, you just want to go against the grain that way. Like I said, he wants to fade high, so he doesn't care like if I dig into the crown or if the crown is blended in with the fade. Okay, this is how he wants it. And I would cut his hair with shears, but he likes the way his hair cut when he does it before he closes it with the grain. If it was up to me, I would do, yeah, I definitely would do the shears on top. I would cut his hair down with shears on top. But like I said, this is what he wanted me to do with his hair. So since I've been cutting his hair for the past few years, that's all he get done is the 4 with the grain. So right now I got the 2 open, just going up above that 1.5, and you see the hair grow upwards, so I'm just going downwards on it. Like I said, it doesn't matter which way the hair grows, you just gotta do these steps to make sure you get your guidelines as neat as possible. So right now I got the 1 open, just going under that 2 that I just did. And I'm sorry, my shoulder's in the camera. I switched around my barbershop. Yeah, I switched around my barbershop, so the angle is a little different. Like I said, I just gotta figure out which way the camera should be, where it should be at. But in due time, you know what I'm saying? In due time, stuff like this happens with change. But yeah, I promise I'm gonna get it right for you guys. But yeah, I'm just using my corner with the 1 open, just kind of blending in from that bulk to the 2.5 to the 1.5. Okay, so right now I have the 0.5 guard by Babeless. Is what I like to call the 0.75 guard. Shout out to Wavykid. This is the older 0.5 guard that they used to put out with their regular clippers. The new 0.5 guard you can get with the Snap FX, which I'm going to show you guys in a minute. That is probably the best 0.5 guard ever. That's the best one I've used. I use them from I use the 0.5 guard or the 0 guard pretty much from every brand. That's the best one that I use, and I'm about to pull that right now to show you guys. Yeah, so this is the new one. This comes with the Snap FX. You can get the whole guard system. I don't like the other guards that come with that pack. I just like that 0 guard. Okay, so that's what I'm using right now. This is the true 0 guard to me. But yeah, like I said, guys, if you use this combo, use the 0.5 guard, the old one first, and then use the new one. Trust me, your blends are going to come out fire. Okay, it's basically, I don't know how to explain this combo. It's going to come out fire. Okay. Alright, so right now I'm about to take out the bottom line. I just got my lever closed. I'm going up. Make sure you guys be careful on this type of hair texture. You just want to go up and then like adjust the lever as you go up. You want to do that with every texture, but with this one it's kind of tedious because if you go up too far, you gotta raise the whole fade. My bad, guys. You gotta raise the whole fade if you go up too far. So just make sure you be careful, and as you go up, you adjust the lever. As y'all can see, that blend looking real smooth. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a lineup. I'm not trying to get a crispy lineup, okay? I'm just lining it up because he wants me to give him a lineup. Because you're gonna do a texture top, so I'm not really worried about if it's super straight or if it's super crispy. Really just cutting the bang short. Just think of it as cutting the bang short. You don't want to think of it as a lineup, okay? It shouldn't be super crispy. It shouldn't be super straight. You want it to have a little texture, so you guys are going to see when I put the texture powder on in his hair, like how the front looks is going to look dope. You see a little bulk right here, just do clipper over comb, get that out the way. You see how that blended in real quick. But yeah, so this is the Tune45 texture powder. You can get that at tune45.com. Use Wavykid Cav at checkout for your money off. And right now I'm basically just going to pull the hair back and try to get it in the roots, and then sprinkle it, and then just move his hair all over the place. I don't have a certain look that I'm going for. Well, I do, but I don't. You know what I'm saying? You really just want to mess the hair up and then try to create that shape for it to look good, but messy at the same time. So I'm just trying to get that messy look, the perfect messy look for it. So right now my client loves having a bald, like a real close shave. So these are the FX3 shavers. These are probably the best shavers I used. The most powerful, definitely. But you're just gonna make sure you get every hair down there. And then if you make a line under the fade, just get your sharpest trimmer, use the corner, and get that line out. Alright you guys, this is the beginning, is the before. I really wanted to do some shear work. I wanted to show y'all my shear work, but that's not what my client wanted. So this is the cut, okay? The cut is clean, the fade is clean, nice and high and tight like he wanted. The fade is blurry, the texture on the top is really texturing, you know what I'm saying? The texture is texturing, you know what I'm saying? But yeah man, it's your boy Wavykid. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know how y'all think I did on this texture, you know what I'm saying? I gotta bring more texture like this to my channel, especially because I like doing it, you know what I'm saying? I like having the different textures and showing how diverse I am, you know what I'm saying? So if you like this video, make sure you give it a like, comment, let me know what you guys think, and subscribe if you are new. Look at that texture, man. But yeah, it's Wavykid. I'm out. Deuces.